come in.
I'm feeling high.
Y'all, look at my kitchen. A whole homeowner's kitchen. I can't even deal.
I'm feeling high.
This is the master.
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
Office, closet. We'll see.
I'm feeling high.
Guys, I think this is gonna be the filming / beauty room. Y'all see these windows that looks up to my backyard, okay?
I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
Guys, I'm a freaking homeowner, okay? You see my backyard? I can't wait to take you guys along to decorate and to show you the trials and tribulations of owning a home, because it's gonna be fun. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm so excited. And shout out to Keats for being my videographer, photographer, assisted best friend in the whole world. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and be ready for all the house content, okay?
And share it.